Okay, I just finished organizing all my art stuff, specifically this box, because it was too hectic. There was a bunch of stuff that I didn't need that was in there, so we got rid of that. This is all my art products to sell, and then we have a display, my bags, and I have small, medium, and large. I have stickers on them. These ones need to be re-stickered because it says Pocket Sketchbooks instead of the website. I was not paying attention. Oh, Pocket Coloring Book. I was not paying attention when I taped these. So, oh, now I gotta fix that. That will wait. This is my paint box, so I can paint at the market. I have some journals in here that I need to paint on. These are canvases that are finished and ready to go. These are my table covers. These are 2 orders that have already been paid for. One won't be until next week. I'm hoping the lady comes this week for her journal. So I'm gonna wrap those, and I think that's it. If I'm not too tired, I can wrap a couple of these. Those are printed cards. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna need. I need those 2 tables that are right there, this table right here, 2 artisan signs, and then I have the hanging artisan signs, my canopy, my weights, my stool. Oh, and I'm gonna bring a Christmas tree. Oh, I could probably bring a couple ornaments that I painted last year. And candy canes, because people love candy canes. I'm probably gonna have to get another box for next weekend, because last time they were just all gone. But yeah, that's that. Oh, that feels good. That feels really good. So this is what I was working on earlier, but this is my old skateboard, and I'm gonna paint the back of this, and I think it would be really cool. It's getting late now. I finished wrapping the sketchbooks. I have their information, their price, and then they're protected from sticky hands, because kids love these. And now it's okay for them to touch, because I could just wipe it down with a baby wipe. We're all organized. Change of plans, not taking the canopy, which is easier on me. I'm gonna bring the big dragon painting and put her on the wall, because I'm gonna do a wall space instead. One of the things with being market coordinator is learning how to be flexible with where I put myself. It helps, fix any empty spots. But yeah, thanks for watching Vlogmas Day 6. Vlogmas Day 7 is going to be a lot. I have a market, and we're doing our town's 33rd annual Christmas tree lighting, and that's a lot of fun. They closed down the whole main street. So yeah, I hope you come by tomorrow and see how well or how much I actually record of the market. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye.